Students, we continue our discussion on the chapter Problem on Simultaneous Linear Equation. Today, in this part, we are going to solve some problem based on time and work and distance, speed and time. So let us continue our first problem. So our first problem is, if A and B together can do a piece of work in 15 days, if A's 1 day work is 1.5 times the 1 day's work of B, find in how many days can each do the work. So we assume that let x equal to number of days required by A to complete a work and y is the number of days required by B to complete a work. So if you remember in earlier classes when we solved the problem based on time and work, we find out the part of work that will complete in 1 day. So in the same way we can say in 1 day A complete 1 by x part of the work and in 1 day B complete 1 by y part of the work, since they required x and y day respectively to complete the entire work. Now it is given that 15 days required by A and B to complete the work. So in 15 days A and B complete one work. Therefore in 1 day A and B can complete 1 by 15 part of the work. Now that means 1 day work of A plus 1 day work of B equals to 1 day work of A and B. So we get our first equation. Now the second equation is given that if A's 1 day work is 3 by 2 times the 1 day work of B, that means 1 by x equals to 3 by 2 into 1 by y. Therefore we get 1 by x minus 3 by 2 into 1 by y equals to 0. Now since here the coefficient of 1 by x is same, I prefer to use the elimination method. You can do the method which you are comfortable with. So if I apply elimination method, so 1 by x plus 1 by y equals to 1 by 15, 1 by x minus 3 by 2y equals to 0. Sign changes, x will get cancelled. From these two I am taking 1 by y common, so we will get 1 plus 3 by 2 equals to 1 by 15. Now if you simplify this part, so 2 1 are 2 plus 3, you will get 5 by 2. When it change the side, it will becomes 2 by 5. So 1 by y equals to 1 by 15 into 2 by 5. It implies 1 by y equals to 2 by 15. That means y equals to 15 by 2. That is 37 1 by 2 days. So this is the time required by B to complete a work. Now from equation 2 we will get the value of x. 1 by x equal to 3 by 2 into 1 by y. So in 1 by y I substitute the value of 1 by y, that is 2 by 75. 2 will get cancelled. 3 1 are 3, 3 25 75. That means 1 by x equals to 1 by 25. It implies x equal to 25 days. That means A required 25 days to complete the work. Moving into our next problem, a train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train had been 30 km per hour faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train were slower by 15 km per hour, it would have taken 2 hours more than its scheduled time. Find the length of the journey. So here I assume the speed of the train equals to x km per hour and scheduled time is y. That means it requires y hours to complete the journey. So distance is equal to x into y. Distance formula is speed into time. So speed is x and time is y. So distance is equal to x into y. That is our length of the journey. Now if you look at our first condition, it is given that if the train had been 30 kilometer faster, that means the speed will be x plus 30, 2 hour less than the scheduled time, that means y minus 2 will be the time. If you multiply these two, you will get the distance, and distance remains the same. So x plus 30 into y minus 2 equals to xy. So if you simplify, so we will get our first equation as 2x minus 30y equals to minus 60. Now the next condition is if the train were slower by 15 km per hour, that means speed in this case will be x minus 15. It would have taken 2 hours more, that means time will be y plus 2 equals to speed into time equal to distance. It remains the original distance, that is xy. Now if you simplify, multiply and simplify, you will get 2x minus 15y equals to 30. Now look at the coefficient of x. It is same. So here I prefer the elimination method. So if you eliminate x and simplify, you are getting y equals to 6 hour. Now here I am using the elimination method. You can go for either substitution or cross multiplication method. Now from 1, if you substitute the value of y equals to 6, you will get the value of x as 60 km per hour. So length of the journey, we need to find out the length of the journey. Length is speed into time. Speed is 60, time is 6. So total journey is 360 km. Thank you student for watching this.